Hey, what's up guys? Just doing a really quick unboxing of the Sleek Socket surge protector that I got off Amazon. I was looking for something to have behind our TV. The current setup right now, my surge protector pokes out way too far, and it basically just pokes out too far where I can't push the actual the base station of my TV up against the wall. Having something like this allows it to be really sleek up against the wall and also hide all your cables. One thing I want to point crucial here before you buy this, make sure that your sockets don't have the ground facing upside down as the indicator here. You want to make sure that the third little circle prong, which is the bottom of the plug, is facing downwards, which is how you want this to have this set up. Another thing, this is a 6-foot cord here. So from the outlets itself to the surge protector is a 6 foot, which handles 1080 joules or 40,000 amps. So just something to keep in mind. This is supposed to be way thinner than traditional. There's no tools required, super easy to set up. Let's go ahead and get unboxed and see everything we've got in here. Alrighty guys, got it unboxed. This is what it looks like. So this is gonna be the main outlet, or the thing that plugs into the wall. It's gonna be bigger than your traditional the actual plate, because it's gonna cover that up entirely. You've got the single plug there, so it's not gonna plug in on the bottom one, so make sure it's plugged in on the top one. That's the way it needs to set up, is plugged with the top one flush, and it will cover the entire outlet itself. As far as the cable goes, like I said, 6-foot cord here. I'm not gonna untangle that just yet. Here's all your outlets. It's facing upwards like this, so you're gonna have a light there telling you that you are protected, and also a light there telling that it is grounded. You've got your little switch here, toggle on off switch if it gets ever tripped, where you can reset it. 6 outlets here. They're also pretty well spaced. You've got plenty of outlets there to be able to plug in all kinds of good stuff there, which is really nice to have. Plenty of sockets on the back if you wanted to mount this to your actual entertainment center or anything. You've got your 4 screws there to be able to mount this and lock it in place on your actual entertainment center. So if you guys are looking for a great surge protector, I would highly recommend you guys checking this one out.